This might be my biggest project so far. I think it looks pretty good. Now it's done. I finished it and I will let this dry, and tomorrow I will move it to our bedroom. First I have to take this old one out. I think it looks pretty good. It's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think I have to celebrate this a little bit. I think I'm going to eat something. I'm going to a restaurant I've never been before. I'm going to eat in Five Guys. Like I said before, I've never eaten in Five Guys before, and there is a few good reasons for that. I live kind of in the middle of Switzerland. In Switzerland there's only 4 Five Guys. What's funny about those are kind of all in the different sides of Switzerland. 3 of those are kind of in the French part of Switzerland, 2 in Geneva and 1 in Lausanne, and 1 is in totally other side of Switzerland in Landquart.
Landquart.
Many times in Genf, many times also in Lausanne. Lausanne is a very beautiful place, and also Lausanne would be maybe the nearest for me where is Five Guys. But I came here, Landquart. Maybe not the prettiest train station in Switzerland. Here are some subway, Landquart fashion outlet. I can here also see Five Guys. It took me 2 hours from Olten to Landquart by train. And by the way, huge thanks for my sponsor of this video, my wife. She bought me this ticket. I want to try if this Five Guys is it better than McDonald's, Burger King. Those I use a lot because those are very near to us. Prices are higher, that I know, than in McDonald's or Burger King. I would like to taste their hamburger, French fries and milkshake. I think those are pretty famous. It's pretty warm now, so I think I'm going to eat outside. Okay, let's see what I have here. French fries, hamburger, banana milkshake and a Coke. Did I took cherry Coke? Oh yeah, that's cherry. It's pretty good actually. Okay, let's try these fries. Looks pretty good. You know, very crispy on the outside. These are different. I like it. I really like it. It's very good. salty. I like that. These are more crispy than a kind of a normal. I like. Cherry Coke. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Quite sweet. Okay, let's try next this hamburger. The small one, bacon cheeseburger with mayonnaise, tomatoes, grilled onion, jalapenos and bacon. 1950. The most expensive burger I've ever eaten. Let's see if it's any good. This bacon and jalapenos, tomatoes, cheese, onions. It is good. It's very good. It's not dry at all. I have to say this is very good. Taste is perfect with these jalapenos, perfect speck, bacon, cheese, tomatoes. That's very good. It might be even the best hamburger I've eaten in these kind of fast food places. I'm a little bit sad that we don't have Five Guys in our neighborhood, or not even close. I hope they will open in Zurich. This hamburger was almost perfect. I don't know how to make it perfect, but it was very good. French fries, I like these more than the normal ones. Very crispy. Very good. Cherry Coke. I don't really like even cherries, but Cherry Coke is good. Now I have to taste this one. Milkshake. Banana milkshake. Let's compare this to McDonald's one. It's so much better. You can feel these pieces of banana here. That's crazy. This is one of the best milkshakes I've ever had. It is sweet, not too sweet, very good. Some kind of tourist place. There's quite much shops. I have to taste this. This what I took first was banana, and it was so good. This one, it's with bacon. Bacon in a milkshake. It's very thick. Oh. Yeah, there's inside this kind of very crispy pieces of bacon. That's actually very interesting. You can't really taste this bacon so much. until you will get this bacon and you will kind of bite. Not bad, very crispy. These bacon pieces. I like this banana more though. Interesting.